What up, YouTube? Small quick video. LEDs. Nice and bright there. Got that yellowish kind of color. Looks like the LED blinks even faster than the other one. Like it shuts off faster, so it's nice, you know. Should match my HIDs once I get the HIDs for the front. I bought these LEDs originally for the reverse lights so I can see, considering the fact that I have like 5% all around and I can't see shit. But they really don't do much. I need like HIDs in the back just to be able to see, but hey. So I took it from the back, the reverse lights, and I put them here for the front signal lights. I'd rather have people see me signaling fast and bright, because when I move, so, you know, I need people to move too. So, you know, quick video, LED difference. I like it. Looks nice. Alright guys, LEDs.